Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to humanize ChatGPT text for free. If you want to humanize text generated by ChatGPT, the process is simple and can help make your content appear less automated. First, copy the text you generated using ChatGPT. Next, go to an AI detection tool. Paste the copied text into the tool to check if it is flagged as AI generated. Make sure your text has at least 80 words for an accurate analysis. Click on Analyze and the tool will show you the detection results. If the text is flagged as AI generated, the next step is to use a paraphrasing tool. You can use a free paraphrasing tool like Quillbot or any similar option. Paste the text into the paraphrasing tool and click on Paraphrase. The tool will rewrite your text, replacing some words and restructuring sentences. If needed, you can repeat this process multiple times by copying the paraphrased text and running it through the tool again. The more times you paraphrase, the more natural the text will appear. Once you're satisfied, paste the updated text back into the AI detection tool and analyze it again. You should see the detection percentage drop significantly. Repeat these steps until the detection score is low enough to meet your needs. That's how you can humanize ChatGPT text for free. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.